We are Nokia, and we are here today at Intergeo at the YellowScan booth with our Nokia Drone Networks drone-in-a-box portfolio, and we are super proud to show our product together with YellowScan's LiDAR scanners. We are here with Nokia Drone Networks. It's basically very simple. We don't have many different drones, it's just a single one, but it is a single platform for a multitude of use cases. A multitude of use cases basically means we are helping with Nokia Drone Networks the public safety sector, the mining industry, the oil and gas industry, but also utilities and other industrial verticals that really rely on tomorrow's drone-in-a-box infrastructure. As of today, we have the Ultra Surveyor with our Nokia Drone Network system, but we are obviously looking towards the more heavy categories, and we hope that we can evolve the portfolio of YellowScan's LiDAR scanners together with Nokia Drone Networks. See, I believe that there is a high potential in YellowScan's LiDAR scanners with Nokia Drone Networks, primarily because if we think about the use cases where YellowScan's LiDAR scanner can be used, it is a lot about environments where you might find hazardous conditions. So if we think about worker safety in a mine, or if we think about sending people on a regular basis to very, very remote areas where you need to collect geospatial data, a drone-in-a-box system or a drone-in-a-box solution like Nokia Drone Networks in combination with true 4G, 5G, beyond visual line of sight capabilities gives you a real advantage compared to other systems on the market today, where you basically need to carry the drone into the field and operate just with a joystick. We really see Nokia Drone Networks as a part of our modern infrastructure, as a part of our future daily life, where drones can be used to collect data every day, every moment, and obviously with the help of our superior connectivity technology, which is 4G, 5G. Obviously, our primary target is the public safety industry, helping firefighters, helping police, and you know, the whole blue light industry. But we do see a massive potential in use cases such as mining, oil and gas, and also ports. Or, for example, if we think about runway inspection for airports, where our drone-in-a-box solution can also be very nicely utilized.